Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I go with buyers right here for one candle because I see some buyers pressure on this candle, and I will go with the buyers. You can see that we see a higher high compared to previous candle. We have strong momentum to the downside, so let's see the reasons. Higher high compared to the previous candle, yes. We have strong trend against us. So one reason for us, one reason against us. Let me just see. All right, so here we have some support areas on the very past. I don't know if that's a very good support area here, but it can basically react that. Beside that, if we don't consider the support, we have this gap down in our favor, so that's another reason to take in this trade. Okay, but here you see we created this lower low compared to previous candle, right? So here I don't go with the buyers anymore because I don't see enough reasons. We have the trend in the favor of sellers. Let me just, I will take it. Oh my god, look at this entry, this terrible entry. Okay, I took this trade. This is a terrible entry. And you can see that we have this lower low in the seller's favor. We have the trend with the sellers, and also we don't have any gap right here. Okay. I don't know if my entry is kind of bad, but yeah, you see that we have two reasons to go with the sellers, but we don't have any reason to go with the buyers. Okay. Even though my entry was pretty late, pretty bad, but still. Okay, now we created this higher high compared to previous candle, like, and also we have a lower low. This is a strong candle. You know, when you see strong body like this with very minimum, very small shadows, it means that the sellers are strong. Just like this, just like this, just like this, just like this. Not this one. Oh, the sellers are also strong. These are all, you know, these are all strong sellers candle. This is not a strong sellers candle. You know that after this weak sellers candle we have buyers entry. So here we have strong sellers candle just like the previous one, just like here. So we can have potential trend to the downside, but we have to check that where the price has touched. Okay, it's not touching. I don't know, maybe it's touching somewhere at the higher or lower time frame. Okay, we have an engulf right here, so let's go to the lower time frame to see if there's any setup. Of course it's touching somewhere. You know, this pump right here, it should be something. Okay. In trading options, we don't really go deep into every single detail, but for educational purposes, I will do that for you. Okay, it's touching this. Let me just mark this. You know, the market's movement always has a reason. If you don't see the reason, it doesn't mean that there's no reason. Okay. Okay, let me just draw this perfectly. So if I want to draw this, I'm probably gonna draw like this. Yeah, exactly. Touch this support, this setup at the lower time frame. Okay, this is one of the advanced setups. And now it's trying to go up. We also have a QM like that. Look, with breaking the previous high, this zone is going to be QM zone, and this is going to be the entry for us. So now we know that where the market has touched and why it has been going up. Now we are inside of the space. There's two scenarios. It's either going to go up or it's going to range right here. For now, we are inside of this range. All right, let's see. We have a couple of rejections. Let me see. This is the common point of rejection right here. That this was takeable. Let's see if the next candle is going to come up or not. But you know, the common point of rejection when you have a base like that, it can be very useful. Okay, in terms of trading with the rejections, but we'll see. Let me just add a couple of pairs so we can have more. we can have more options. Oh my god, bro. Okay. Okay, this time. Let me see. Okay. Please come a little more higher. Okay, I entered right here for the sell trade because I'm assuming this as a base, but at the lower scale, we have been coming down like this. Okay, we have been coming down like this. You see this? It can be a QM at the lower scale. You see this? It basically has created, if you don't know what QM is, when we have a trend and then all of a sudden we break the previous swing, this area is going to be the QM zone. The price is going to react from this area. All right. So if you haven't watched it, you can watch the video. It's going to appear somewhere. Okay. So we also, the market's movement is in layers. It's in fractal mode. And if you check this at the lower time frame, you're probably going to see the QM. It's not super clear, but I think, okay. It's not very clear right here, but you can see a QM cell. How beautiful is this QM? Look, if I mark this area is going to be the QM. Let's go to the higher time frame. And yeah, this cell would be takeable based on the QM at the lower time. But we don't want to overcomplicate things, okay? And about the mentorship, this is 20 December. Some people said they want to reserve for a couple of days, like I don't know, 2 or 3 days later. I reserved their spot, but today is the last day for application for the mentorship, and I think this is going to be my last group of students. So if you're willing to join, this is the last day. You can also join the Telegram channel. I will share my students' result there. Okay, thank you for watching, everybody, and peace out.